Welcome back, everybody. That's Ryan again. This is the 7th video in a series dealing with WordPress, helping you set up your own WordPress blog. So if you haven't watched the prior 6 videos, I would recommend that you go up to your address bar of where you're at now and type in our home page. Type in www. and then the letter U and then savedomains.com. And once you get there, if you look over on the right side margin and you look under the section called Video Tutorials and you scroll down a little bit, you'll see some of the videos here. There'll probably be more here by the time you're watching this, and we'll be adding more regularly. So you'll just start with the first one, how to install WordPress. And so far, you should have already watched how to install WordPress, how to change a theme, how to create a post, how to install plugins, how to work with widgets, and how to deal with the appearance of your blog. So I'm going to go into the assumption now that you've already watched the video, you've already set up your blog, you've chosen your theme, and I'm going to show you now how to deal with comments. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to log into my control panel of my WordPress blog, and here it is. Yours might look different. I'm going to go down here to my site admin login. If you don't see that link, if you change something and it's no longer there, you can easily get there by going up to the top on the address bar, typing in your full domain name, and then after the .com or the .info or whatever it is, put /, and then wp-admin /index.php, and that will get you to your login screen or to your back end. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to log into my control panel. Over on the left side margin, you'll see that I have my navigation bars. I'm going to be dealing with this section right here, comments and settings. When you first do your WordPress setup, you're going to want to do your settings. So you're going to click on settings. Now this should have been done prior when you first set up your blog, but if you haven't done it, you can start modifying it here. Now the drop down is right next to settings. It's a little gray arrow, so just click on it and you'll see some drop downs. Now the area that we're going to be dealing with, I think, is going to be under, I think it's discussion. Alright, here it is. You have the ability of choosing whether or not to allow people to post comments. Right here, allow people to post comments on new articles. Well, I'm going to remove the check mark. I can read some of these other options and choose what I want. Anyone to post a comment. I can remove some stuff here. Once I'm finally done, I'm going to go down here. Let's see, I'm going to get rid of avatars. I'm going to change a few things, and then I'm going to click Save Changes. Now the reason why I'm turning off the ability to deal with comments is because there are a lot of spam bots out there, and they will just randomly be crawling the internet and they will be throwing up advertisements on your comments. So usually what I do is, if I want to allow comments, I need to make sure that my comment is held for moderation. So I'll get an email letting me know somebody made a comment. I can come in here and I can either approve it or disapprove it. And where I would do that is, once I get in here, I'll click on comments up above on the left side margin. And you'll see here that, oh, I already have a comment. Hi, this is a comment. So this is a default one that came with the blog. But if there was something in here that was spam, I could either check mark it and click approved, or I can mark it as spam, or I can immediately send it to trash. So that's how you work with comments. It depends on what your goal of your blog is. If you want a lot of people to add comments, that can actually help you in the search engine rankings because your pages are constantly changing. If you don't allow comments, then some of the pages stay static. So it really depends on what your ultimate goal is, but that's how you work with comments on WordPress. So again, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you like the video and you think that other people would benefit from it, please tell your friends to go over to savedomains.com and watch the videos. If you like the video and there's a thumbs up capability next to the video, go ahead and please give us a thumbs up, or even go over to your Facebook page and type in our address there, or you can go to our homepage and click on the little F here. It just lets other people know about us, and that way just helps us get promoted a little bit more. So thank you for watching. I'll be adding other videos later, and thank you for visiting usavedomains.com.